So we're Spacecraft Design Build. I'm Sam. This
And I'm Mark.
So we won the up to $200,000 renovation. Oh,
It's amazing, yeah. Can't wipe the smile off my face, and I wasn't expecting it. So yeah, the bosses are definitely happy. They sent us up here. They were very shy to come up, but yeah.
so the build was beautiful in the end. We had some amazing clients who, were happy to sort of bend to our will, I guess, in the aspect that we did the design as well as the build. We are both the carpenters.
Yeah.
So, in us being completely in-house, we could ensure that every single finish was perfect and every detail was as crisp as what it could possibly be. So.
Hard work, very hard work.
Yeah.
Long hours and very dusty work as well. Like getting that hallway done and seeing the end result is amazing.
Seeing it, it was one of those builds that it's a heritage sort of place. You're trying to really bring justice to something that has stood there for 150 years. So.